Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 from page number 58. As in the previous video, we had done from page number 50 to 57. Let's start with the topic changing the slide layout. We can change the slide layout anytime. Now, what are the steps? First of all, display the slide that you want to change. Next, click on the Home tab, then click on the Layout button. Every layout contains the content placeholder. It enables us to insert text or one of the 6 graphical objects. I'm going to choose this layout. See, here we can add text or insert these 6 graphical objects. We can insert table, charts, pictures, clip arts. This is the first way to add the insert table and clip arts. There is a second way we can insert from the insert tab also. Click on the insert tab. See, here is also options are available. Table, pictures, photos, shapes, smart art. Now I'm going to add the table. Simple. Single click on the insert table icon. One dialog box will appear. Enter the number of columns and number of rows, then click on OK. Your table has come. We can also resize the table by dragging the table. Now enter the data in the cell, click in the cell and type to move from one cell to another cell. Press tab key from the keyboard like this. Clear? Now our next topic is to add the pictures. How we can add the pictures? We can add the pictures from here also by using the icon or by using the insert tab option. Click on the insert tab, click on the picture option, then choose the camera, single click on it, then single click on it and click on insert. See, your picture has come. We can also change the color of the text. How? First of all, select the text. Simply triple click on the sentence. Your sentence has selected. Then click on the font button, choose the color. See, your color has changed. Clear? We can also change the style of the text. First of all, select the sentence, then click on the underline button. Clear? Our next topic is how to add the shapes. What are the steps? Click on the insert tab, click on the shapes button and choose the shape that you want to add. Then place the cursor on the working area, drag it like this. Clear? We can also change the background to enhance the look of our presentation. Click on the design tab, then click on the background style button. Third, click on the format background. See, here are 4-5 options: solid fill color, gradient fill color. I'm going to choose gradient. Next, click on the preset color. Next, type. Choose the type: linear, radial, rectangular. Next, direction you can choose. Then click on. Now, if you want to apply this background on the current slide only, then click on close button. If you want to apply this background to all the slides, then click on the apply to all button. Clear? Now see, your background has applied. Next, we can also give the motion effects to our presentation. Under the transition tab, choose any one of the effect. Okay, our next is running a slideshow. Now our presentation is ready. So how to run? Click on the slideshow tab, click on from beginning button, then press enter. Thank you. God bless you.